Hey everyone, if you're a business owner who needs translations, then listen up. Today, I'm diving into some key tips to help you avoid common pitfalls in the translation process. First things first, danger zone. Here's what you need to watch out for. First, your bilingual friend is not a translator. Just because someone speaks two languages doesn't mean they can professionally translate documents. Second, AI and machine translation are not confidential. Remember, anything you feed into these systems could potentially be accessed by others. Third, if AI or machine translation makes a mistake, you will not know. Machines don't pick up on context or cultural nuances like a human does. Finally, you're liable for any AI translation mistake. You can't blame the machine if something goes wrong. Now, when you're hiring a translation agency, keep these tips in mind. A. Know the difference between translators, written, and interpreters, spoken. They're not the same, so make sure you're asking for the right service. B. Send the file. Describing the background and context helps, but sending the actual documents will get you the quickest, most precise quote and timeline. Just saying you have 12 pages isn't enough detail. C. Ask for a specialized translator or agency. No matter your industry, there's a translator who specializes in it. D. Be sure you ask for TEP, translation, editing, proofreading. This step is usually implied, but it doesn't hurt to confirm. E. Is this a regular job, whether monthly, quarterly, or on another schedule? Let your translator know. This helps them stay organized, create a glossary, and set up a schedule. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to getting the best translation results for your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more business tips.